to pick out a few of my favorite things off of their site, and I did. They have so much stuff, so it was so hard to choose what I wanted because I kind of wanted everything. But yeah, they gave me like a code and stuff to share with you guys. So I will, like I said, as in every video, I will link everything, all the information down below so that it's easier for you guys to remember or like just copy and paste. So yeah, I will also link their profile to Instagram and their website down below as well as mine. But yeah, let's get started. Here's the box. It is huge and it came from Canada. And it didn't take that long to get here, but yeah, I was super excited. Like kind of everything got pushed back because of Memorial Day, because the post offices weren't open, so it was like a 3-day weekend, well 2-day weekend, honestly, because Saturday usually like they're open till like 4 o'clock. Yeah, it has my name on it, so I'm not gonna, and I'm gonna open it. So pick this up. Oh my gosh. It is a pennant, I think you call them. They're like the college things that hang on your wall, which I'm gonna have a background change shortly because I have like a few things I want to put back there. Like waterfall lights that my friend bought me. Yeah, so this is one of them. And oh my gosh, it is beautiful. It is like a heavy felt material. Like, I think that's how they all are. But wow, Diva, nervous. But yeah, it is slightly bent, but that's just because of the box. But it should be okay. Like, once I get it on the wall, it's gonna be the wall of Diva. And then here is. They told me to pick out some pins, and I did. They had so many pins, and I'm obsessed, but I picked these for them. And let me just take these off for you. Oh my. It says GG, and it has Diva. It's like her spray on Overwatch, and it's silver, and the backing is silver too. That is amazing. And then these ones are just plastic, which I don't know why. I guess just because it's black background on the back. But this is Snowball. It's May Snowball. I think there's a spray for this one too. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's Snowball. I think it's right side. Yeah. And then I got 2 Game Boys. I think I'm gonna give one to my brother. I was gonna do a giveaway, but that might be later. Because I think that I might host one with them. So stay tuned. Because I did recently hit 16K, and now I'm up to 16.3. So that is a lot of followers, and I kind of blew up, and I'm so happy. You guys make me so happy. I love you all so much. Like, I love you guys. This is real talk, I do. Okay, so here are the cute little Game Boys, and you know, we all had these. All us 90s kids. I'm not gonna be 90. I'm gonna be 24 in August, so yeah, I'm a 90s kid. Okay, and the last thing is a pair of leggings. And oh my gosh, wait till you see this. They feel like workout leggings, like legit, like stretchy leggings. Okay, so they are Nintendo Switch, I think. I'm not sure. And then we have all these other ones, like the Sega Dreamcast right here. But yeah, these are freaking beautiful. These are like, they like go from a pink to like a purple, and then down to a blue. And these really remind me of Sombra so much, like from Overwatch. These really remind me of Sombra from Overwatch. Honestly, I will try my best to do like a showing of these. Like I may have to do it in my mirror because I have nobody to hold my camera. So that's kind of like the problem. Like I said, like so many times. But yeah, that's the problem. I don't have any people to help me right now. So, ooh, I don't know. I have a tripod, but it broke. I have a short tripod right now, and this is like you're stacked on top of a box and a table. So, and here's a card that is not focusing. It says Allie right here. Come on, here it is. And let me tell you, I opened this already. No, I didn't. But this is so cute. What's this? Oh my god. Loot! It says loot. It's a loot box. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. This is the cutest card I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. And it says, Allie, welcome to the FanFitGaming. Hope you love your loot. Oh, thank you. You are so nice. I love you guys. Okay, so yes, these I think are $59 or $79 for these leggings. These are $79, and then these I think these pins are like $10 each. So friendly, and they really take good care of you. And they have such amazing products, and I don't know where that went. Here it is. They have such amazing products, like one-of-a-kind products that you can't find anywhere else, like I said. But yeah, here is their little card to their Instagram. Let me see if I can. It is at FanFitGaming and www.fanfitgaming.com. They have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, as well as their website, of course. But yeah, they are amazing, and I hope you guys go and check them out.